Hey, what's up, Shiba holder? So this video is very urgent, very urgent for Shiba holder, because the Shiba holder is completely fails down, my friend, and the last 24 hours. So this is very urgent and very bad news. And what's going on in next and upcoming days? They're moving up. What's my prediction? What's the next target of Shiba coin? And what's my opinion to this selling time, holding time? I have 3 year experience and a time from my feed. Therefore, I share you and my opinion. My friend, this time, if you can see, the crypto market very badly fell down. Remember what I tell you in the start of video. Absolutely, this is very important. This is need for the end of this video, my friend. This time, if you can see, this time all crypto market is very bell down. So Shiba is also 46 minus 47.11% bells down in the last 7 days. In the last 24 hour, sorry, in the last 24 hour, 47 point fails down. This is very high change, my friend. Everyone fails down, but this is, you can see here, minus 2%, minus 2%, minus 6%, minus 9%, but no one 47% fails down. Shiba is very badly fails down. Let's get started the price prediction, my friend. But please, first of all, subscribe ABS Tech channel for keep touch with us. If you check out my previous days, then absolutely I guide you every time. So please subscribe ABS Tech channel for keep touching. Okay, my friend. This time, if you can see here, I already opened last 24-hour chart. This time you can see here they fails down minus 47.45%, and the last 24 hours. You can see here, first of all, if I draw a chart, my friend. Sorry. If I draw a chart, my friend, like this, absolutely, this is then they show you to they fails down and what's going up in upcoming days, my friend. This time, if you can see, my friend, after a jump they fails down, and after fails they go again, my friend. So this is continually process, and if you can see here, if they continues, they're moving up, then exactly they fails down, and upcoming days they also fails down, my friend. So please remember to, if you are sell, and this time absolutely they give you a very small loss, but if you are already in the loss, my friend. So I think this is good to you hold it. Absolutely, this is good to you hold it, because this time you can see here minus 47%. If you sell this time, then absolutely you half lost. So if you lost half, then absolutely this is very bad, my friend. So kindly don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they're starting moving up like a rocket. They give you very good profit. Please don't sell it, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest news and updates. The target, as my friend, 0.000 10 US dollar. I hope they can hit the target, but this time, if you can see here, they fails down again. So this is very bad situation, my friend. But I hope in upcoming days they move up like a rocket. So thanks for watching. Please, Shiba holders, subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest news and updates. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.